Hey everybody, it's JT with this week's Market Minutes. It's Thursday, you know we're out looking at houses. Hitting the market this week is 5705 Northfield Road in the Greenwich Forest subdivision of Bethesda, the Whitman School District. This is 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, a half bath, 3,300 square feet finished, brought to you by our friend and colleague Avi Galanti from Compass at $1,550,000. This center hall colonial has been expanded in every direction with tons of natural light, open floor plan. It's got everything you want. Come on in, let's take a look around.
As soon as you come in, you realize that this 1940s colonial has been expanded a couple of times here and has tons of space. This cozy living room with this fireplace, they've updated it with the recessed lighting. You have a more than ample size dining room here, but moving to the back of the house, it appears that they've done 2 sets of renovations. Some time ago, they opened up this kitchen and they made this family room, which is really nice. The kitchen could use another update here, but again, the open style is what everybody wants. And then in 2022, Case Design, who is a very high-end contractor in the area, did this secondary addition. So they've added this eating area and then this vaulted ceiling that is amazing. You can just see the craftsmanship here, really high quality. Moving upstairs, originally was a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom colonial. So you have your 3 original bedrooms, but then the other bedrooms are a pretty good size. Really interestingly, they've actually bumped out this other bedroom to the side here over top the garage, just to add a little bit more space. Moving into the back of the house, they have this 4th bedroom and 3rd bathroom upstairs with this walk-in closet. Really nicely done. I think this was part of the older addition. Moving into the basement, this has been finished as well. They have this little reading nook here for a kid. I really like that. And even with this expansion, 2 expansions, you still have a pretty good backyard space. At $1,550,000, this is going to check a ton of people's boxes. I think this is going to go pretty quickly, and I think it's actually going to get bid up quite a bit. Heading right up Tuckerman Lane, we come to the Oldfield neighborhood in Potomac. 8905 Maxwell Drive is hitting the market at $1,150,000. This is a 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath split colonial at just over 3,300 finished square feet. Aaron and I both have buyers in this market, in this pocket, and it is starved for good inventory. This house has been expanded at some point. You walk in on the left, you have a couple of stairs going up to a really spacious living room area that kind of wraps around to this dining room. This kitchen area looks to have been expanded out into this breakfast room, and the openness with this huge bank of windows is awesome. Then you come down into a really nice fireplace family room area here. Moving upstairs, you do have 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths on this level. The primary suite is a pretty good size, and you do have a lot of closet space in the primary here. Moving downstairs, you do have a rec room and an unfinished area, which is great for storage. In the backyard here, we do have this pool. It looks like a great pool, looks like it's in really good shape. As we've talked a lot about on this show, at this price range, pools don't really add value. The people that want them, they really want them because it probably cost $150,000, maybe $200,000 to put this in today. But there's also a lot of other buyers that find it to be a liability, maybe with young kids, or just an added expense that they're not really looking to take on. Definitely going to see a lot of eyeballs this weekend, probably get an offer, probably get bid up. It'll just be interesting to see how that pool really plays into this valuation. All right, sliding over to Kensington in the ever popular Rock Creek Hills, we have 9636 East Bexhill Drive hitting the market this week at $1,350,000. This is a classic Kensington colonial here. As you come in, you are immediately met with the living room that is very nice and bright, and you have more than an ample size dining room here. Moving to the back of the house, you do have this kitchen here. It's a little small, but there is an eat-in area. And then you have this massive screened-in porch. I mean, it looks enormous on these pictures. I think there's definitely a couple of things you could do with this space. They also have a very convenient 1-bedroom and 1-bath on the main level here. And upstairs, you've got 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, and they're all, pretty good size. Again, Kensington colonials, you're not going to get these massive bedrooms like you will in other areas. With Rock Creek Hills, true to form, this is a really, really nice lot. Looks like a great backyard here. Not much on the market over here in Rock Creek Hills. I think that with the garage and the updates in the bathrooms, I think again, $1,350,000, great job pricing from our friend and colleague, Marilyn Emery. I think this is going to get a lot of eyes this weekend and probably get it up a little bit over asking price as well.
All right, that does it for this week's Market Minutes. Thanks for tuning in. If you're not already doing so, please give us a follow on social. Be sure to tune in next week as we have a special edition of Market Minutes where we have a fantastic listing hitting the market up in our neck of the woods in Potomac. Stay tuned.